What is your name?
Okay, my name is Vida Bell. Vida Bell Season de la Fuerza, and I am 53 years old from Philippines.
What the weather like?
Rainy season is mostly during July to October. But during summer, the weather is very, very hot.
Which season do you like the most in your country?
I like summertime because I grew up in the beach. I grew up in the beach. Our house is just 500 meters away from the sea. So I grew up swimming.
What language is used for communication in your
And
country?
regional languages, dialect. But our main language is Tagalog. But Tagalog, since we were colonized before with Spanish, there are Spanish who colonized the Philippines and Americans also colonized the Philippines. Our language is mixed, not 100% Tagalog.
What do you like to eat?
My favorite food in the Philippines is adobo. Adobo, that's mudeng. It's a mudeng or a chicken.
How does it taste?
It's my favorite. Of course, it tastes very delicious for me. Correct. It's sour, mixed sour with with a little bit of sugar and spicy.
What
Also,
festival as celebrate in your country?
vegetable. You mean vegetable? Actually, Filipinos, we grow also local foods like Thai. We have kangkong. I do not know what's kangkong in Thai. We have kangkong. We have beans also. We plant also kamote. Kamote is a sweet potato. And we have beans also. We have the same vegetables with Thai. But Thai, there are vegetables that we don't consider vegetables in the Philippines. There are some vegetables in Thai that we don't eat in the Philippines.
Do you have traditional dances in your country?
Bamboo dance, tang, 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 tang. We call it tinikling. It's a bamboo dance. Have you tried that, dancing a bamboo? Tang, 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 like that. Oh, we call it tinikling. That is our dance, a traditional dance in the Philippines.
What is the traditional dress code in your country?
In the Philippines, we call it barong Tagalog. Barong for the boys and barot saya for the girls.
What do you like most about your country?
Top world-class beaches na and beaches for surfing. We have one of the most beautiful surf place all over the world in tourism and beaches, and maybe the food also, same in Thai. That's how I love Filipinos. And Filipinos also are friendly, just like Thais. You're also friendly.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I sang. I love to sing.
What would you recommend to people who are going to visit your country?
Okay, number one, Philippines is very welcoming. If you go to the Philippines, people are very respectful. Number two, people are very hospitable. They talk. They are not afraid of talking to strangers. They are not afraid of talking to foreigners. And I will tell tourists to come in the Philippines to enjoy our beaches. And we have more than 1,000 of islands in the Philippines. We have different islands. We have beautiful mountains for hiking. We have beautiful beaches, and we have good food also. If you want to taste, if you want to become a Filipino and taste our food, we have best foods also in the Philippines.
Thank you so much.